In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an item group in Zoho Inventory. By the end, you'll know exactly how to group related product variants together, so your items are easier to manage, track, and sell. Let's start with what an item group actually is. In Zoho Inventory, an item group is a way to organize multiple versions of the same product under one main item. For example, if you sell a t-shirt in different sizes and colors, instead of creating a separate item for every single variation, you can group them together. This makes your inventory cleaner, your reports clearer, and your item list much easier to work with. First, you'll need to get to your items. After you log into your Zoho Inventory account, look for the Items section in the main navigation. This is usually found in the left sidebar. Go ahead and click on Items. This page shows you all the products and services you've added to your inventory so far. Once you're on the Items page, look through your list and click the item that you want to turn into a group. Choose the base product, the one that represents all the variants you want to manage together. For instance, if you plan to group all variations of a specific shoe, select that shoe as your main item. With that item open, you'll see various options and details for it. Here you want to look for the option to add variants. Select Add Variants to an item. This is the key action that will convert the single item into an item group and let you start defining all its different versions. When you choose this, Zoho Inventory understands that this product will now have multiple related variants instead of being just a standalone item. Now you'll be asked to enter a group name. This is what you'll use to recognize the entire set of variants. It's a good idea to pick a clear, descriptive name, usually the generic product name without any specific attributes. For example, you might call it men's running shoe and then keep the size and color as the variant details. Keeping the group name simple and consistent will help you search and filter your inventory more easily later on. After naming the group, you can start adding item variants if needed. This is where you define the different versions of your product, such as size, color, material, or any other attribute relevant to your business. Take a moment to think through the variants you actually stock and enter them accurately. Adding all the variants at this stage can save you time and keep your records organized, but you can usually come back and add more variants later if your catalog grows. When you've finished setting up the group name and adding the variants you need, you're ready to save your changes. Click Save to create the item group. Zoho Inventory will now treat this as a grouped item with multiple variants under it instead of separate independent items. Once saved, you'll see your item group listed in the items section with all its variants neatly organized. From here, you can edit individual variants, adjust stock levels, or update pricing, all while keeping everything tied back to the same core product. That's all you need to do to create an item group in Zoho Inventory. Go to your items, select the item, add variants, give the group a clear name, add your variants, and save.